weet het lekker mee. Zoals jullie zitten op zijn
उधर में चाय दे दो, उधर में चाय दे दो, नून चाय।
वो बोलने का गाना खत्म हो गया।
हाँ?
गाने के बाद
पूछो उनसे।
बोलो उनका। अरे म्यूजिक बंद होने के
मुझे भी दे दो। Great, this is the samovar from Central Asia. Just enjoy the exotic tea. This is sheer chai. Enjoy sheer chai. Beautiful, excellent, great. Sheer chai.
लगा के रख दिया, अभी बर्बाद है, वो फिर ठंडा हो जाएगी।
Sheer chai. İçi de mamun. Sheer chai, sheer chai. Sheer chai. मजा आ रहा है।
मोहब्बत
Shircha is coming. Shircha is just in time. Shircha is Nikaron, very good, excellent. God bless you, Rajkumar Kachru Sahab. Great, great, great, great. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. Chai Marata even Sheer Chai. Sheer Chai is first class Sheer Chai. Great, great. You can have a beautiful tea, sir. बस मैं chai मैं कौन मान और आए मरा आए ना बेच हम हो मरा सॉरी आज पूरा दुनिया शीर चाय चाहिए मरा प्यारा भाई शीर चाय चाहिए मरा सरी अंकल जी तो चाहिए सरी चाहिए शीर चाय गजब खड़ा मन नदी वो नंदर हम जब पता बुरु चाय ना बुझाऊँ कुछ ये चुन करानी 4 पाव चुन करानी का वो इनकर सर चुकर चकर फरमाए तब क्या चाहिए everything is possible. So that's why I gave you the best vote, you know. And you know, I have just put. I know, because I saluted you the other day, you know, and then you. You know, so many people. You know that how many people you have made happy?
So many people.
Thousands and thousands.
क्या तुम नोला के जवाब नोला का है क्या?
नहीं,
Have you got any reply from that side?
Very excellent, exotic.
They appreciate it.
Excellent. एक सेकंड You know, this. I just want to give you an account of this very beautiful instrument. You know, this is samovar. And you know, it keeps the tea hot and boiling and going. This is not to be available in any part of the world except in Kashmir. You know, it's a special teapot, heating pot of Kashmir, especially to sip and enjoy the hot tea. And you just see how beautiful it's looking. This is samovar, which has come maybe around 500 years back to Kashmir from Central Asia, and it is helping. नहीं कॉफ़ी तो दे दो यार, कॉफ़ी तो करना पड़ेगा. तो नहीं करेगा, अभी करेगा ना, बना वो बनाए तो सो यू जस्ट सी दैट हाउ. इसमें क्या करना है यार? ओके, साफ रखा करो मेरे भाई. Just see that how beautifully this tea. कहाँ लेनी है यार? इसको कहाँ लेना है? आराम से. This is coffee. Thank you. Oh, that's great. Very hot. Very hot. आराम से करना है बेटा.
अब डाल उससे.
So you just see that he's trying to put fast the shichai. So people have been enjoying shichai. Great going. God bless.